Apartment rental qualifying. I get a lot of clients that just want to qualify for apartment rentals. They know they have bad credit and they want to move into a nicer apartment, a nicer house rental. And so they just want to get their credit high enough so that they don't have to worry about not getting approved. And the thing to know about qualifying for apartment rentals is number one, they don't want to see any older property management collections. They don't want to see that you were evicted from some other place and uh, you left owing a balance. They don't want to see any collections on your credit report from other property management companies. That's the number one thing that's going to get you declined for apartment rentals. After that, you don't have to have a perfect score. You can have an average credit score, and as long as you don't have any other property management collections on your credit report, you'll probably get approved. But the first step is to contact me so I can take a look at your credit report and give you a free credit repair analysis and estimate. And let's get you started today on the path to having good credit.